Right, so some people would probably have seen these sorts of things on TikTok a lot of the time. They're being advertised at the minute, or Amazon, eBay, or wherever else you want to go on your store. I know they're selling cheap on TikTok like everything else. My brother had a set, a different brand anyway, but they all do the same thing. His one's worked on his old Fiesta to stop the windscreen misting up. I've recently got a Ford Transit which seems to like to mist up while sat in my driveway when it didn't on the other people's. So yeah, especially like when the window's frozen and that on the inside, it does have massive amounts of condensation on it. And also as well with the other little Fiat van, of course if you get anything wet in there it does it, but it's not as bad normally, not when you just got normal dry stuff in there. But anyway, also I'll get a set of these, obviously put one in each windscreen, and yeah, hopefully it'll dry it up and hopefully we'll have a clear window. So yeah, obviously it's the usual thing, the little beanbag with the blue dot in, turns to pink when it's all the moisture's been soaked up by it, and when you need to recharge it, you just then stick it in the microwave, and 600 watts, takes about 6 minutes I think they say, just to put it around the microwave and turn the dot back to blue, dry it out, and then it's good to go again. So yeah, that's how all of them work, because that's how my brother's worked and how all the ones you see on the adverts work. It's all pretty much the same sort of principle. So yeah, that's that. I've got 2 of those. I'm going to go and stick them in the vans. So yeah, hang on a minute, let's just go out to the vans. So these are them. Go around to the front. So it's not too badly misted up in here today, other than there is a bit you can see literally on this side in the window, which for some reason is the side that normally gets mostly misted up, and it's actually on the outside today, and it's on the inside as well, but no, it's decided to be fine today. But anyway, to cure the problem and hopefully not have it anymore, I'll put one of these in. So I'll just try and open the bag. I'll just... Now then, I don't know whether to stick it by the window somewhere. Maybe there. Or maybe to stick it somewhere else. Because I could put it in one of the drinks bottle holders, but then again, it might not be as effective. I think it should go somewhere in here. Come on. Let's just put it in so that the dot's facing outwards, but I didn't really want to put the dot facing that way just in case it invaded or anything. So yeah, that one's in this one, and then we will same again. So yeah, we'll go and put the other one in the other vent. Just give the dashboard a little clean because it hasn't been cleaned for ages. It's all dusty and I don't honestly bother cleaning it because it gets manky all the time. So yeah, that one will sit just in there.